You can go in and try to do your own thing and think you're going to master the curbing industry, through YouTube videos or watching somebody else. But if you don't go to the source of where it was pretty much invented and learn the process that they've come up with this, it's gonna be hard to build or have a quality product like they put out.
Yeah.
My name's Ryan Avison, and we started coming up here, and Sean told us about this product, about Lil Bubba, and it's turning out to be an excellent experience.
I'm Sean. I'm the owner. We're from Fort Myers. We've come up here to integrate the Kirby business into our existing landscape design business.
My name's Benny. It's Bennie, Contreras, Contreras from Colorado.
And I'm Jeanette Contreras from Colorado.
Dominic Blanco from Northern Colorado.
And we're here to get the Lil Bubba trailer, start a curbing business.
John Bilsma.
I'm Joy Bilsma.
We're from Lehi, Utah, and we're here to get training on this new equipment that we purchased.
Just saw the name on your machine, I believe, on a job site, and I think that's what triggered my
thought process.
Thoughts to look into doing it inside of our own company.
Ended up deciding to go with Lil Bubba for number one. They're kind of the leader in the industry. They've kind of invented this process, so to speak. And not only that, their equipment's made in-house, and you can actually get their equipment within, immediately.
Day one was a lot of learning the process with a book, and then now we're, hands-on, and it's easier than I thought.
After seeing all the equipment and how it all works together, it does produce a really nice product, just as it was advertised to us.
And the biggest thing too with the training aspects is, Kyle's an excellent trainer, but he also gives you trade secrets that there's no way you would ever know unless you didn't do this program.
Right.
And that's huge when you get out on the field.
Yeah. He did add, it felt like he was adding, potential for you, to show you that you can do really a lot of different things with this material.
He's a wealth of knowledge. He has so many little tips and tricks, and just can't get enough of his
Absolutely.
insight.
He has all the answers to the questions that have been asked, and he can solve all the little problems that have came up, shown us how to deal with those.
A lot of hands-on. Everybody had ample time to really get in there and get their hands dirty and learn the process. And if you didn't understand, all you had to do was speak up. And Carl, he was great. He's very, very knowledgeable. He's funny. He kept it interesting.
That's what y'all do a good job at. You give us opportunities to experience it, touch it, feel it, and become a part of the process. And that's important.
Yeah, understanding the mixtures and things like that was big for us. That was one of the biggest reasons we wanted to eat over here, to learn the proper mixing methods, because I've seen that being a problem with other companies, and inconsistencies and integrity issues and things of that nature.
I feel very comfortable using those machines. After you understand how they operate and what they do, they're pretty simple to use.
I was intimidated, but I've been able to use them, and they're not as scary once you get behind them. So I've never done anything like that before.
The quality machinery, y'all thought everything through with it, put certain, adjustments and stuff. I guess it's an effortless process to go through this, because y'all thought everything through. Y'all done a good job with y'all's research on it, and that comes through experience.
To help learning, seeing other people kind of go through the same process that we are, and seeing that some people are better in certain situations, so it makes you kind of step it up and perform to a higher level, seeing that it is doable, and that other people, you can learn from others' mistakes and learn from their eyesights too.
It's been a really cool experience to meet the different people from the different states.
It's amazing where everybody's coming from to get these things, and that says a lot about y'all. These people coming 3 days, but getting here and seeing the facility and how all y'all are doing it, I think I did a great job. And you as being the owner, being so interactive, that says a lot.
I also like the idea that the fabricating shop that you have right there next door.
You can
and
hear it.
you guys are actually fabricating the stuff right here,
That's
hands
cool.
on, eyes on, you know, and how involved you are with that. That's impressive.
Yeah, I like hearing the TIG welders feeling like they're
Yeah.
welding machines. I mean, they're right here. We're right in the middle of everything.
I'd say if you're thinking about it, I decided to quit thinking about it and just do it. I thought about it and I made my decision, and now here I am, getting ready to bring this trailer home and get started. I can't wait.
Overall, the whole experience was pleasant and, you know, very, very informative. So I mean, I highly recommend it. And if you're teetering, then take the risk. It's worth it.
It's only a phone call away, and even after you're certified, they're still there for you. It's not just one training, they'll always be there for you.
And as far as the training goes, you can't beat it. I believe it's probably the best out there. I wouldn't have been here. So
You know, you can go in and try to do your own thing and think you're going to master the curbing industry, you know, through YouTube videos or watching somebody else. But if you don't go to the source of where it was pretty much invented and learn the process that they've come up with this, it's gonna be hard to build or have a quality product like they put out.
Yeah.